Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Kona key fob. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver, which is crucial for prying open the case. Additionally, make sure you have a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery ready for replacement. It is also a good idea to work on a soft, clean surface to prevent any scratches or damage to your key fob during the process. The first step is to access the internal mechanical key. Look for a small release button, usually located on the side or back of your key fob. Press this button firmly with your thumb or finger. While holding the button, slide the mechanical key completely out of its slot. This emergency key is important, so set it aside where it won't get lost as we continue. Now, let's gently open the key fob's case. Look closely at the area where the mechanical key was removed. You will find a small indentation or slot. Insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, like turning a key, you will hear a slight click as the two halves begin to separate. Carefully work the screwdriver around the seam to fully pry open the case. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Gently pry it out using your screwdriver, noting its orientation. Most Hyundai Kona key fobs use a CR 2032 battery, which should be inserted with the positive or plus side facing up. Once the new battery is in place, align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until they snap shut. Finish by reinserting the mechanical key until it clicks securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.